everybody, welcome back. My name's Christy and I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And today's video is going to be round 2 of me and Suzanne from Dakota fLiPz battle of the boxes that we've been doing. The first one, consensus was I won. And round 2, now we're going to do, hopefully she wins. Actually, yes, I still want her to win. But I do want to do round 3. But this is round 2. I won the first one. Hopefully she wins the second one. And this is a shoebox from Thredup, the 15 count mixed shoeboxes or mixed sizes. We did get this, the first one we both got on sale, the 20% off. This one we did pay full price. So it was $80 plus the shipping and the taxes. And I believe that came out to like $95 or whatever. I'll maybe put it somewhere down here, let you guys know how much it was, and then what the price per shoe, the cost of goods is going to end up being. This box, if you saw my last video, that box had a hole, 2 holes actually in the box. The box was completely beat up. Thankfully, I had all the shoes that I was supposed to have. This box did definitely come in much better condition than the last one. I'll just show you there. I don't have my helper today because she has a friend downstairs. So I did open this ahead of time. Not like ahead of time. So I cut the tape before I started the video, but I have not looked in here yet. I do not know what's in here. So this is going to be a surprise for both of us. Or all of us, hopefully. Not just 2 of us. So let's see what I got. So this time I did open it correctly, the right way up. I did not open it upside down. So I do have some nice tissue paper up here with a little sticker. Ooh, and I got some bubble wrappies. That's nice. Ooh, more bubble wrappies. So I'll put that over there. So let's get to the unboxing. So hopefully we got 15 here and see what I got. Let's see. Pull out these because I first see these are some nice leopard print or animal print. They feel like calf hair. I don't know. That feels funky on my fingers. Let's see if I can read down here. I cannot tell what brand that says that is. Let's see if I can see somewhere inside the shoe. It says Vintage Havana. I'm not really sure. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that yet. So that is the brand. I have never heard of that brand. They look to be in decent condition. This feels like suede up front here. This feels like calf hair. And it does have a zipper detail there. And then it's got that weird detail on the side. Looks like it's got a little bit of wear on that back part there. And this here is the second one. Again, also a little bit of wear back there. A little bit dirty, but not too bad. Let me see on the side here, it just says vintage. So if you guys know what that says, let me know. But otherwise, I'll just look up vintage. Both of them, Havana, Savannah, whatever. Oh, I did forget to mention, this box, our last box, came from the Pennsylvania warehouse. This one came from the Georgia warehouse. So we'll kind of see what there's a difference. Okay, this is another one that I don't know. And I also can't read. I hate when brands put their names in like cursive and you can't see. So yeah, that's the brand. And I have no idea what that says. But they do look to be in very good condition. They're like a mustard yellow color. I don't know if that's how it's coming through to you guys on here. Yeah, I really do not know what that says, so I will have to try to look it up. I'm also not seeing a size on these anywhere. It just says made in China underneath this part there. So yeah, I will have to start doing some research on those. Let's see, a little bit of some heels. These are just some Abound heels. They are in at least good condition. They are made in Vietnam. Let's see if I can see what the size. They got stickers on the bottom still, so they don't look like they've really been worn. I am not seeing, oh here, maybe? Size 9. So they're just in size 9. They're just a bound. Some heels, but they are in really good condition. So even if I can get a few bucks for them, I will definitely list those. Let's see, here is some Adidas sneakers. They have tags still on them. So they are new with tag. They have some paper on the inside. That does not look like they have been worn at all. Let's see, does it say what the retail value was on here? I don't see that. So, no, it doesn't have the retail value, but there are some Adidas women's sneakers. And those are actually looking really good. I think it's kind of cool. I've never got brand new shoes before. They actually put some layers of the tissue paper in between the shoes to kind of protect them a little bit. That certainly didn't happen last time. Let's see. I don't know what to pick. Let's see. These are some Jones New York. They are some women's like heeled slip-on loafers, kind of like a patent leather. Again, they are in actually really good condition. Which that's the only thing I didn't like about my last box is a lot of the shoes were definitely really dirty and filthy on the inside. Let's see these, if I can read the size or not in this light. Looks like maybe an 8 medium. But yeah, I know Jones New York I don't think sells very well. But again, they're in good enough condition. I will list them even if I can only get like 10 bucks out of them. And I see, here's some funky looking kind of weird shoes. Let's see. So these are some heels. The straps look like they're not broke so far. So I got some strappy heels. They actually look like they're unbranded. I know in the last box, Dakota fLiPz actually got some unbranded stuff if I remember correctly. So, but yeah, I mean they're cute and they're in, in decent condition. I could at least list them for a few dollars. Looks like they're size 8.5. So not too bad, I guess. Not great, but not too bad. Let's check out these things. Let's see. These are these are some fry shoes, fry shoes. So they're not really boots. I've only ever gotten a few fry boots, but these are the Fry company. If you can read that or not. There's some like heel wedge, or not wedge, but they have some block heel. I don't know if you call these some mules or clogs or whatever. It just says the Fry company on the bottom. The bottoms are a little worn, but not horrible. Let's see if they're the same size, or if I can even see a size. The size says a size 10. And I can't read that one. I think they're the same size. Yeah, I think so. But that's cool. I haven't gotten fry boots or fry shoes in quite a while. Let's see, these are some universal thread. I was actually surprised I did not get a pair of those in my last box. Let's see. So they're just some slip-ons. They're size 6. They feel like they're a leather, but they're probably just a faux leather. Yep, just man-made. But they're not bad. I'll probably still throw those on the eBay for a few bucks. I try to list everything that I can, if it's in good enough condition to list when I get them in these boxes, just to make sure I make my money back. Alright, next one is some Steve Madden. Like some Steve Madden jelly sandals. So they're like that. They're like jelly. They got these like little nubs on there. Let's see what size they are. So they're the Travel J, maybe? Says size 5, but that does not look like it's a size 5. So yeah, see, I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not. Probably not. It says it like right there, but you probably can't see that on there. It says size 5, but there's no way that's 5. But either way, those are cute. My daughter might actually want those if they fit her. Let's see, here is some Ann Taylor Loft. Just a nice little, really short little heeled slip-on strappy sandal. They are definitely, worn, but they're still, fairly clean on the bottom. It says they're a size 6 medium. So let's just see. These say size 5. These say size 6. So yeah, that definitely does not look like a 5 to me. But those are okay. Again, I will list them. They're in definitely good enough condition to be listed. These almost look like, yep, these are a new day. Just some slip-on sandals. What size are these? Oh, darn. They're only a size 7. If they were my size, I would keep them. I like just having a nice, simple slip-on shoe at home, but these definitely will not fit. So, all of you guys out there that are Target shoppers, which I am not, I know A New Day is a Target brand, and I know Universal Thread is a Target brand. Do any of you guys know which one is the better brand? Either the better brand, like more expensive brand, or the better brand for resale? That I would like to know, because I do not know that. Let's see, looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 left. Let's pick out these big chunky things. So these are just an espadrille platform wedge heel. The brand is Soda. I don't know if you'll be able to see Soda. It says they're a size 7, man-made material. They're in decent condition. Nice brown heel. So I got something in my eyeball. There we go. Let's see, 3 more. Let's see, these are some Naturalizer women's heels. Let's see if I can see. So they're like a leather pointy toe. Little, it's like not a wedge, I don't know if that's, would you guys call that a kitten heel? Or would you call, I don't think stiletto. So maybe like a kitten. And these are a size 9. Let's see, are they actually leather? Does it say? Yep, leather upper and then man-made material. They're called the Okira, Okira, and that would definitely be selling those. Let's see, 2 more. Let's grab this pair of boots out of here, see what these are. Ooh, these are some nice boots. You can see, oh, Michael Kors. So some Michael Kors boots. I got a pair of those boots from the last box were definitely a Michael Kors box also. These are Michael Kors. So size 11 medium. So yeah, they're actually in really good condition too. I know it's kind of getting out of boot season, but I will still list these now because you never know who's looking for them. So yeah, those are really nice. And then last but not least, let's see what we got. Oh yeah, some Dolce Vita. Some Dolce Vita, like a greenish colored field sandal. It looks like the backs are pretty dirty, I think. Hard to tell in this light, but they're like a wood heel. So I'm going to see if I can clean that up a bit. See if I can see what size these are. They are a 7.5. So 7.5. There is a little bit on this one. At least I can see some scuffing or some wear right there in the front of the toe. But other than that, they're in pretty good condition. So I'm actually really happy with this box. So let's count, make sure we got our 15. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there's the 15 pairs of shoes. I think this actually was a pretty good box. I'm actually really super happy with it. The brands weren't the greatest. Like, I think the best brand I got in there, the best thing were the Fry boots and the Michael Kors boots. Or not Fry boots, but the Fry sandals. And then the Michael Kors boots, which were really good. But everything else was just like bread and butter, but they are definitely all clean, good, sellable condition. When I go to edit this video for a little bit, I will go through and add what I do plan on selling each pair of shoe for, what like the comps are looking at, and then maybe at the end kind of do what my estimated profit from the box will end up being. So if you like this kind of content, please, I hate when I do that. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, like the video, all the things that we do to show that we like videos. Please do that. Please also go ahead and watch Dakota fLiPz unboxing so we can see who won. And I will link her channel in my description below, and try to put a link to her channel in the description or in the title so you guys can find her and watch and compare and see who won. And hopefully we both got great boxes. Susan, I really hope you got a great box this time. I think you said your last box wasn't that great. We didn't battle off of that one, but you're due a great box, so I hope you get a great box. So that'll be it for everybody. Go ahead and watch both of our videos and let us know who won. And I will talk to you guys on the next video. Bye.